Save Club has been around about, what, 6 months now. And I joined within probably 1 to 2 weeks after I first heard about it, which was during the pre-launch. And I've never really participated in a Save Club before. Now, I've heard about it in the 70s, 80s, like Happenings Books, Groupon, Priceline.com. You guys have probably all heard these, and they're great opportunities, great saving companies. Okay. Are they worldwide? I'm not sure. You just got to kind of follow your app or go on your home computer or whatnot and type things in or scan on your phone and see if you can save on things that you're already buying, or maybe you're going to purchase like airline flights, hotel. It was just Christmas a day or two ago. So a lot of people, they obviously travel during Thanksgiving, the holidays. We got New Year's in a day or two. Maybe you want to go to Vegas. Okay, so get a Uber or a Lyft to the airport, and then flights, hotel in Vegas, maybe some show tickets. Okay. If you're going to do uh, what you're going to do anyway, you might as well see if you can save. Now, the app you can download, and I'll show you how to do that after you join Save Club, because you can join just to save. Okay. Scan away. And even if you forget, what's nice if you have your cell phone with you and you go to pay, your phone will kind of remind you. Okay. Isn't that nice to get some money back or at least save at the point of purchase? Now, my first couple weeks with Save Club, I had to buy a whole bunch of tires. I have a few Chevy Dualies and I have a couple Hummers, the big military vehicles. And the tires I needed to buy, they're very expensive. And mixed with a Save Club and Discount Tire, and being a holiday, I was able to save almost $900 the first 30 days that I went ahead and just joined Save Club. Okay, I really didn't look at it as a money maker. It was a money saver. And I just wanted to try it anyway for like 30 days. Okay, you have 20 bucks, you have 80 bucks. All right, I'll show you how you can join or at least look into it. And you might as well, because you're going to probably shop at Walmart or 50,000 other stores, especially in the United States and Canada. And yes, every month we're expanding to all countries. All right, this is going to be a worldwide thing. It's going to take a year or two to probably get into the smaller countries, but I have no doubt we'll get there. Okay, so at this time, all I can do is share your screen. Okay, and this is what it looks like. First thing I want you to do, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up another screen real quick, if you don't mind. And what I want you guys to do is to go to joinsaveclub.org. We're an organization, okay? So joinsaveclub.org. And this is the screen right here. This is my favorite. And all these capture pages I'm going to show you after you join as an affiliate, all these pages are already built for you. They go directly to your business. And I'm going to take you in the back office. There is so much training, so many pictures, so many videos. You can use all of the training materials every day on Save Club's website. Just go, log in, and use it on TikTok, Instagram. I still call it Twitter, X, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram and TikTok. I think those three alone are just insane. And just tell people, click this link and let me know what you think. This is my number one way that I sign up, and it's put me number 8 in the world. All right, here you go. So remember, joinsaveclub.org. Go ahead and put your name, email, and phone here. Secure my position. Watch this video. Okay, it is our CEO, Charles. He's going to tell you about Save Club in just minutes. Way better than I can do. These videos I like. These are on my YouTube channel, and then I post them on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram and whatnot. Okay, but secure my position. And guess what? For the next 30 days, you get one email per day from Save Club telling you about the experience. Do you want to buy or do you want to save? Do you want to make some money? And you can opt out anytime. I recommend keep all 30 emails because you can email them to your list. And I'll show you how I build a massive list where a company pays me almost a couple grand a month. And they give me thousands and thousands and thousands of fresh emails, okay, the addresses per week. And I go ahead and let them blast it out. They worry about the compliance issues and the spamming issues. But the emails are excellent. So please go to joinsaveclub.org, fill your name, secure my position. And that doesn't mean you joined yet, but open up your email and go ahead and open up the Save Club email. And please watch this video right now, okay? Now, I'm going to log in and just show you the back office, show you what you get besides just saving money. Now, I hope you join as an affiliate. I think you can definitely earn money, or I wouldn't be joining and making videos like this. You click My Deals. All right. Now, click the word Here, and the world is your oyster. Okay, I put in Salt Lake City. I live in Riverton, just a few miles away from Salt Lake City, but basically Salt Lake City is a whole bunch of cities in a bowl of mountains. Okay. Do you like to go to Smashburger? Do you like to go to Disneyland, Disney World? But maybe you're just in Vegas at the Hard Rock. All right, now scroll down. You go to Pizza Hut, you like pizza? You ever go to Panda Express? You need some tires at Firestone? Who doesn't shop at Amazon at this point? Okay. You need some sporting goods. How about a sandwich at Subway? Ford, you need to buy a car, truck? Check it out. You're going to buy one anyway. You might as well get Save Club and go ahead and all these opportunities. Guys, there's probably 50 to 75,000 right now. I could literally sit here for 5 to 10 hours and show you, hey, do you want to go to extended stay? Look at that, 50% off. All right, Disneyland Resort, that's expensive. Why not save money? You're going anyway. All right, you like NHL? We have a brand new hockey team here called the Utah Mammoth. They're not bad. All right, go ahead, check it out. But this is the fun part is saving money on things you're already buying. And go ahead and just put in your zip code or where you're going to go. So let's say you're going to go to Florida. I live in Utah and I got to go visit relatives. I go ahead and put the zip code down in Florida, check out all the hotels, all the categories, see all the deals here. Look, shopping, dining, automotive, condos, movies. Look, parks and attractions. Okay, groceries, you like food. All right, financial wellness, health and wellness, travel, of course. All right, you'll be here all day. But when you log in, the most important thing is training because I think most people join opportunities and they don't know what to do. And they want your upline sponsor, like myself, if you join me, to help. All I can do is say log in and go to this right here. See the training tab? Click that tab. Watch this, the 10-step fast start introduction. Watch it 50 times if you have to. All right? Join the 90-day blitz for 3 months. It shows you what to do every day. And make posting fun. And like I said, there's tons of videos already made. So if you don't want to do a video like I'm doing, don't worry about it. There's 1,000 videos that are neutral that just talk about Save Club and where you can post on Instagram, Facebook, or just send someone a message, text them. Okay. It goes to your direct link. All right. Look at this 90-day blitz, marketing materials. All you do is click these orange little circular buttons and it goes to another page and it shows you the videos. Shows you pictures that you can just post, like on Facebook, for example. The comp plan, don't try to explain the comp plan. It's too confusing. Just go ahead and click this. Watch this video right here. All it is a YouTube video. You can go ahead and click it, save the link, and just watch it 10 times. And if anyone wants to know the comp plan, go ahead and just send them that video. Let video do everything. Don't pick up the phone. Don't text. Don't do three-way calls and Zoom calls. That's all kind of dated. People now just want to watch a video like this and they can delete it anytime. Or if they'd like to join, they can make up their mind either join now or join later. Okay, how to use my deals. It shows you exactly what I just showed you just a little bit ago. But see, there's a pay plan link right here. But this is the back office after you join. All right, the mobile app, just click that. And of course, it's free. Download it to your Android or maybe your Apple phone. Everyone has one of those little iPhones, don't they? My team, it shows all the people that join with you and how much money you're making each week, each month. All right, your referrals, it just gives the information of everyone that's interested in joining you. Okay, and training is awesome. But my websites, you click this link and look at all these websites that you can post the link to where people can get information just about Save Club in general. These Powerline landing pages, this is how I get people not only to save money by downloading the app, but joining as an affiliate. You got 80 bucks? Okay, I know you do. And you're going to save, in my opinion, a hell of a lot more than 80 bucks the first month, I'll tell you that. This is my favorite link right here. All right. You can use this link as well. But look at how many. This one just focuses on saving and earning. This one, 67 cents a day. Okay, look at this. Travel. Go ahead and use this link if you want to focus on how you can save on travel. Or how about a boss babe? All right, are you a boss babe? You need one of these. That looks like a Maserati. Look at that. Those three little things there on the side. Okay, look at this. How nice is that? Are you a military wife? Are you just focusing on apps as a business or a customer? MLM fail. Talks about how MLMs fail. Well, this isn't an MLM. It can pay like one, but this earns you money and saves money on things you're already buying. Don't go out of your way. Go ahead and just open up the app and shop. And if you can save, awesome. All right, social media, that's a good one. But see all these links you can use. But I like this one. It's put me in a nice category. And right now, I'll show you the leaderboard. This is worldwide. I'm pretty proud of this because I'm not some guru guy that uh, does MLM and bounces all over the place. All right. I just know how to make videos like you're watching now. And I make them fun. So I can't wait to make them, upload them to YouTube. And then I take that link, my YouTube link, and just put it on Facebook. I upload it to TikTok, Instagram. But look at that, number 8 in the world. I got 125 folks that have already signed up. And I have no doubt I'm going to get up here with Kelly and maybe Leanne, Angela. I know Jason, Eric. These are all great people. All right. And I'm proud to be up here in the top 10. And I just make things simple. But it all comes down to, can you do this for me? Can you type in joinsaveclub.org? You can see it on the top left of my screen. Please just enter that, put in some information right there, hit that little orange button, and please just watch this YouTube video. That's all you got to do. And that's what I want you to do. There's nothing left to do. Video has already been made. Thousands of videos at this point. And they're all neutral. Like I said, they don't go to my account. They go directly to your account. You're just going to download the Save Club app on your phone. You can shop around on your home computer. You can come over to my house, I guess, and use mine. Log into your account, earn money. You can use my webcam or something. I don't know. Maybe I should show people how I make videos like this. I make it fun and it's actually cheap. If you have a cell phone anyway or a home computer, guys, you already have a business in like a box. In my case, I'm in a little circle. Okay, so joinsaveclub.org. That's all you have to do. Okay, click, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if I can help you, get a hold of me. I'm not shy. Cory at corydraper.com. I'll show you how I got a domain name. I just forward it to the Save Club capture page, the Powerline landing page, that's the official name, and let all the videos that are already made do all the work, okay? And you're going to save money on things you're already buying. So, guys, thanks for your time. Okay. And I think you're going to get a kick out of Save Club. All right, guys, take care.